Hari Om. Welcome to Anirudha's Creative Learners. Today we'll learn how to use Rotate tool in Vector Ink app so that we can make flowers or some symmetrical images in which we need rotation. Now let's start making the flower. For making petal, use this polygon tool. Select here and make it three sides. So the polygon will be a triangle now. So this is the triangle. Now use this path tool, select this and then go to this particular. Click on simplify. Now we can see this shape is simplified into this form. Now click here, go to this particular joints option again. Click joints and make this joint sharp. Okay. This way we have made a petal very quickly. You can draw a petal using the pen tool also. You can use the pen tool and draw the petal also. So we will focus on rotate tool now. So this is your petal. To make a to use the rotate tool, there are two options. You can rotate it directly from here. This particular icon which is there, you can use it to rotate the particular petal. Another option is you have to go to this particular option and this rotation tool is there and you can type here 45 degrees and click OK. So it will be rotated 45 degrees. By default, the axis of rotation is on which point this particular object is rotating is at the center of that particular object. Click here to see that center. So this is the center of rotation. Around this particular point the objects are rotating. So if you want to rotate this object around another point, then you have to click here and then tap on this particular point and take it to the particular location where you want the center point. Okay, now I have changed that center point. Now let us see. Now I can rotate this object like this. So what I will do is I will make duplicate copy. Click here, then I will drag this to particular center point and then rotate it like this. Then again I will have to, the problem is again and again I have to do this particular activity. Select here, bring it to the center and then rotate it like this. So this is one option. Using this particular method you can use the rotation again and again. You can duplicate this and then rotate it. Now you can see the object is rotating around its own center. Okay, let it be. Let us see what happens. Now bring it down like this. So this is one method in which we can group these particular objects and then rotate them. I will show you one more method because I have not grouped it. It is getting deselected. Select, go here and then group. Now it is grouped. Now create a duplicate copy and rotate it like this and try to align it on previous object. With practice, you can do it with perfection. So this is one method. We'll show you one more method in which you can make symmetrical objects with equal number of petals on both sides. So like 2, 4, 6, even number of petals can be made like that. Okay. We will use this triangle. We'll select this, go to this, auto joints, select this, make like this. Okay. We have made a petal. Select. Now this is the easiest method with which you can make a flower or a sun, any symmetrical object with equal number of objects. That is even number of objects 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we will duplicate it. Now click here and click on the flip option. So it is duplicated and flipped. Then select this particular constraint option. Move the object upwards and gradually go to the point. Okay. Now both objects are opposite to each other. Then group them. Click here and select this particular. So it is grouped. So now it is one group. Now again duplicate this. We have duplicated it. Click here. Click on flip horizontal. Sorry, it is not working on this. Now we will rotate it like this. Okay, so we have made 4 petals. Now select these 4 petals and again group them. Group. Now again make a duplicate copy and rotate it again. So our flower is ready. See here, snapping feature should be on so that your results are exact. Click on this snapping and see snap to angle, snap to point, snap to curve, snap to object should be on. Then only exact results we will get. So these are the even number of petals. For odd number of petals, if you want a particular number of petal only to be made, like if you want 5 petals, then what you should do? So we will use only triangle for this purpose, and I want 5 triangles around a center point. Then I have to calculate using calculator 360 degrees divided by 5, so it comes to 72 degrees. So you have to select this and then duplicate it, use this option center point, take it to this particular center point, and now click here, click on the rotation. Now type 72. So it is 72 degrees rotated, but it was not duplicated, it seems. Again we will do it. Select this, click on this particular icon, duplicate. Now click on this rotate tool, take the rotate tool like this, click here, tap here, write 72. So now 72 degrees it is rotated. Again you have to repeat with the same. Click here, duplicate, tap here, take the point to the center, rotate tool, rotation 72 degrees. So like this we have to repeat it 2 more times so that we can make this particular 5 petal piece. Duplicated. Wait, we have not used that particular option, this option, and then go to the center, 72. duplicate, duplicate it, then this option, bring it to the center. Now rotate tool 72 degrees. So we have made 5 petals flower over here. This way you can use rotate tool as per requirement. Vector Ink app has very good feature that you can use decimals also 5.51.24552 like this. So exact rotation is possible. If you want to rotate in anti-clockwise, use this option. So the object will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Thank you for visiting Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Keep watching the channel Aniruddha's Creative Learners. If you have some questions, you can write in comment box. We have got a Telegram channel also named ACL Tutorials. Please subscribe the channel. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadna Nath Samved.